As they say, fail to prepare, prepare to fail. I think everyone has at least daydreamed about their own personal plan for escaping zombies at least once in their life. Could you survive a zombie apocalypse? I'm Glenn, and here are 15 vehicles that could help you.
After an experimental bioweapon is released, turning thousands into zombie-like creatures.
Number 15.
The Combat Guard looks and feels like your own mini-tank. Plastered in army camouflage, the Combat Guard is like the love child of a truck and a dune buggy, capable of rolling through or smashing over all terrain. They won't be able to run, and they sure as hell won't be able to hide with you behind the wheel of this monster machine. Top speeds of 75 miles per hour on the road, 50 miles per hour off-road, as well as great ability of 70%. 16 R20 tires, a 400 horsepower engine, and ballistic windows will make this your enemy's worst nightmare. And it can hold 6 people, so room to keep the whole family safe, with options for weapon systems available.
Number 14.
What better way to avoid trouble on the ground than to take to the skies? The brand new JB11 combines height, speed, and agility with robust safety. It features 3 smaller turbojet engines on each side of the pilot with built-in stabilization technology to avoid engine failure or spiraling. The futuristic jetpack can reach top speeds of a whopping 150 miles an hour, so you'll be able to glide away from those zombie hordes with ease.
Number 13.
Another perfect way to escape the dangers on road: escape to the water. Everyone knows those pesky zombies can't swim. The Biski looks like a futuristic motorbike and is capable of both land and water usage. It can reach an impressive 80 miles an hour on land and 37 miles per hour on water, but this should still be more than enough for a quick getaway. Just make sure you don't use up your 20 liters of fuel too fast.
Number 12.
Why not go one better and get yourself an escape vehicle that can travel on both water and in the air? The FIB stands for Flying Inflatable Boat, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. The vehicle uses an inflatable boat for water use as well as a hand glider style design to take to the skies. Fly high and watch the carnage below with a friend, or sail out far away from the destruction. The FIB boasts maximum speeds of 50 miles per hour and a 4.5 meter per second rate of climb.
Number 11.
The Wildcat APC, Armored Personnel Carrier, is an MRAP vehicle made by Israel Military Industries. Its chassis is based on the Tatra 4x4 platform. It is mine-resistant, so it will be more than a match for any explosions or hordes in your path. The basic armor can also protect against 7.62mm armor-piercing bullets and RPG hits. You can be sure that no one will be able to even scratch you from within its sturdy hull. It has a maximum road speed of 62 miles per hour too, so the Wildcat is no slouch.
Number 10.
Like a tank mixed with a supercar and something straight out of James Bond, this billionaire super tank reaches speeds of upwards of 90 miles an hour. It's able to withstand assault rifle fire without penetration to the interior, and the Ripsaw EV3 comes with seating for 1, 2, 3, or 4 occupants. This is the perfect vehicle for traveling long distances at high speeds with a range of 250 miles. Comfortable both on-road and off-road, the Ripsaw is the most luxurious of survival vehicles. After all, why not survive in style?
Number 9.
Another all-terrain amphibious vehicle for you next is the Gibbs Quadski Patrol. A monster both on land and water, the Quadski is designed for police departments to expand their field of operation. However, it could also be a perfect doomsday vehicle. It can hit an impressive 45 miles per hour on both land and water using a BMW 4-cylinder engine. Like a quad bike, jet ski, and a police cruiser all in one, the Quadski definitely packs a punch for your apocalypse needs.
Number 8.
Before you even get down to its capabilities, the Sherp is a unique-looking being, like an armored metal box on the biggest and thickest of wheels. The Sherp is definitely the vehicle built for all jobs. It is capable of clambering over boulders, trees, and any other obstacles up to 2.5 feet in height. The Sherp can even carve through swamp areas, snow, ice, and can float on water at speeds of around 4 miles per hour if needed. There is literally no terrain in which the Sherp cannot find a home.
Number 7.
As the name suggests, this monster is built for hunting, perfect for those of you who are fans of a seek-and-destroy method of apocalypse survival. The Avenger can hold 6 people on land, but only 4 once it transitions to water, so you may have to leave your best fighters behind. Or weakest, that's your choice. Looking like a boat on thick wheels, the Avenger is capable of traversing swamps, sand, mud, and all kinds of off-road terrain. A 30-horsepower twin-cylinder liquid-cooled electronic fuel-injected engine will be just the ticket to get you from A to B.
Number 6.
At the end of its successful 18-month trip around the globe in 2012, Planet Solar was the largest solar-powered boat in the world. The $26 million catamaran-style vessel measured 101 feet long and 49 feet wide, with a capacity of up to 50 passengers. Some 537 square meters of photovoltaic panels powered this Swiss-designed solar boat during its round-the-world journey. As long as the sun is shining, you're surviving in style and comfort, with plenty of room for friends and family.
Number 5.
What better way to avoid the zombies and destruction below? Take to the skies and rarely ever land. The Solar Impulse 2 was the first ever solar-powered airplane capable of flying through the day and night. Its huge wingspan is covered in the latest solar power technology, meaning a 36-hour non-stop flight is well within the realms of possibility. In 2016, it completed a 26,000-mile journey around the world using nothing but solar energy, perfect for an apocalypse setting where fuel would not be readily available. It has a cruise speed of 43 miles an hour and a flight ceiling of 28,000 feet to keep you well out of harm's way.
Number 4.
The beast of all tanks. The Leopard 2 was developed in the 1970s with the specific aim of serving the West German Army in war, so imagine what it could do in an apocalyptic setting. With a top speed of 42 miles an hour, a range of 340 miles, and the thickest of steel armor, no one will be able to touch the 4 inhabitants of the Leopard. It is also fully equipped with a Rheinmetall 120mm smoothbore gun and 2 machine guns for the ultimate firepower against enemies. Roll into battle in this monster, capable of eating up all forms of terrain beneath its tracks.
Number 3.
Like a Jeep on steroids, the Marauder is an all-terrain armored vehicle capable of cross-country travel with agility and speed. The vehicle also boasts mine protection and double-skinned spaced armor to protect against kinetic attacks. Extra armor choices can be fitted for ever more stopping power. The Marauder was described as the world's most unstoppable vehicle on Top Gear, which shows the credentials that this vehicle has. It can reach a top speed of around 75 miles an hour with a range of 435 miles. This 10-person beast is the heavyweight of all vehicles.
Number 2.
Straight out of your nightmares, or your wildest dreams, depending on your attitude, the ZIL Punisher was supposed to be the Russian equivalent of the Humvee, and despite weighing a huge 132 tons, it can reach top speeds of a whopping 93 miles an hour. As for armored troop carriers, it's the fastest in the world. That's weight, power, and speed combined under one thick metal exterior. Perfect for mowing down any number of zombie hordes.
Number 1.
The Mantis was designed by Carmore specifically to fill the brief of improving survivability, lethality, and mobility under one roof. It is a tactical armored fighting vehicle designed for the front line of battle. The Mantis is all-terrain, lightweight, and heavily armored, proving the perfect apocalypse car. Shielded from gunfire, roadside bombs, and chemical attacks, The designers say the modular vehicle can take on various battlefield roles. The Mantis looks like something an imaginative child might create out of Legos, but with the option of a .50 caliber M2 machine gun fitted on top, this war machine is anything but a toy.